Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment number 27 from 10th class. The topic is secants and tangents to a circle, which is from exercise 9.3. So let us see the first assignment question, which is find the area of the shaded region in the figure where radii of the two concentric circles with the center O are 7 cm and 14 cm and angle AOC, which is given as 40 degrees. Now we need to find what is the area of this shaded region. So let's go for this. What is mean by this concentric circles means if two circles having same center called as concentric circles. We want to find the area of this shaded region. Let me take area of shaded region. Shaded region, it can be obtained by, we have to take two parts. Area of the ring, so which is like the shape of this shaded part, which will be ring type. So we have to subtract this area of the ring and this portion. So what will be, that is area of part A, B, D, C. Part A, B, D, C. Now we have to find the area of the ring as well as area of the part A, B, D, C. So how can you find this area of the ring? So this we have to obtain by taking area of the circle, that is area of ring. Area of ring is equal to, so that is pi capital R square minus small r square, because capital R is the radius of a larger circle, small r is radius of smaller circle. So let's take here what is capital R, that is 14 centimeters is given, where pi is 22 by 7 into, that is 14 square minus 7 square, 14 square minus 7 square is equal to, so 22 upon 7, so it is a square minus b square, it can be written as a plus b into a minus b, that is 14 plus 7 is 21, 14 minus 7 is 7. Here these two 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So what is the product of this one? 22 into 21 will become 462 square centimeter. So this is the area of this ring. Now we need to find the area of part AB DC. So that is area of part A, B, D, C is equal to. So in order to find this area, we have to subtract this area from area of the sector, that is area of sector. So what will be this is, that is AOC, area of the sector AOC minus area of sector BOD, area of the sector BOD. So where the B is the point of intersection of this small circle and D is at this point. Now we have to find these two. What is the area of the sector? That is theta by 360 into pi capital R square. Pi R square minus theta by 360 into pi small r square. So R is the radius of smaller circle. Now from these two, theta by 360 into pi both are same. So let me take it as common. Theta by 360 into pi of R square minus small r square. R square minus small r square. Now we have to substitute what is the value of theta, that is given as 40 degrees. That is 40 degrees upon 360. 40 degrees upon 360. Let me take it as, so here it is. That is theta is 40 degrees upon 360. Next, where pi is nothing but what, 22 by 7 of capital R is radius of larger circle, that is 14 square minus 7 square. 14 square minus 7 square. Now just to simplify this one, here 41 sum, how many times it is cancelled? Exactly with a 9. So it can be written as 22 by 7 into this 1 by 9. So what if this 14 square minus 7 square, will we take it as 21 and into 7. 21 into 7. Is there any possible to cancel? Here 7 will get cancelled. Is equal to, what about this one? Here it is. So here 3 3s are 3 7s are. 3 3s are 3 7s are. So let me multiply this. Here 22 into 7, this can be taken as 154 upon 3 square centimeter. So this is the area of the pot ABDC. Now, if we want to find, we need to find area of the shaded pot. In order to find this area of the shaded pot, we need to subtract these two. What is the area of the ring and area of the pot ABCD? So we have, what is the area of the ring? This is 462 square centimeter. So what is the area of the pot ABDC? That is 154 by 3 square centimeter. Now let's subtract these two to find that area of the shaded pot. Now we have to subtract this one. So the area of shaded pot, area of shaded region is equal to, so we have obtained it as what is the area of the ring? That is 462 square centimeter minus, we have obtained area of the pot ABDC, which is 154 upon 3 square centimeter. Now we have to subtract this one to find the area of the shaded pot, that is 462, so it is exactly, so 3 5 is 1.33, yes, that is 51.33. What is the difference of these two? So we can take it as, so directly it is 410.67 square centimeter. So this is the area of the shaded pot, which will be in the form of a ring. So let's go for the second question. Find the area of the shaded region in the given figure. So this is a relevant figure. Now we need to find what is this total area of the shaded pot. First of all, in order to find area of this shaded pot, so I can take, this is the first pot, and I am taking this is as a second pot, and the next semicircle is third pot. So each and every pot is looking like semicircle with a different radius. So let's take, in order to find area of the total shaded pot, we have to add area of these three semicircles. That is area of shaded pot, shaded region is equal to, so this is area of first pot plus area of second pot plus area of third pot. So we can take area of a third pot. Now, so this, if you take the area of the first pot, so I can write what is the area of the circle is pi r square. This is a semicircle, so that we can take it as area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. That is, let me take for example, this is the radius, can take it as r1. So r1 be the radius of a big semicircle, and this is a radius of the second semicircle, and the 7 centimeter is the radius of third semicircle, that is r3. So let me take, that is pi r1 square by 2 plus next pi r2 square by 2 plus pi r3 square by 2, so is equal to, so from these three, so pi by 2 is common, so let's take, I can write it as r1 square plus r2 square plus r3 square. Now just to substitute this one, pi is nothing but what, 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 of what is r1. So r1 is the radius of big semicircle, that is first one. So 14 we can take it as r1, that is 14 square plus r2 is what, here 7 centimeter. So both are equal semicircle with the equal radius, that is 7 centimeter. So let me take it as 7 square plus 7 square. So just to simplify this one, here it is 2 ones are 2 11 times. Let me take it as 11 by 7 of 14 square, it will become 196 plus 49 plus 49. Okay, 49 plus 49. So it can be taken as 11 upon 7 of, so 49 plus 49 will become 98. So 98. That 196 and 98. This can be taken as 1819. So 294. That is 294. So is there any chance to cancelize this? So better we'll take it as 7 ones are how many times? 7 threes are 7 fours are 7 fours are 28, and one more thing, 7 twos are. So we can take it as it is 42. So it can be taken as 11 into 42. 11 into 42. Now area of the shaded region. Area of a shaded region I can write it as, it is product of 11 and 42, that is 42. So 42 into 11, it can be taken as 462. 462 a square centimeter. 462 square centimeter is the area of this total shaded part. This is the second one, that is having 3 semicircles. Let's go for third question. This is fill in the blank. Third one is area of the sector is. This is a direct question. Area of the sector. So basically sector, it will be like this. It is sector, right? It is a part of a circle. Part of a circle. So what is area of the circle based on the some angle between two radius of a given circle? It is exactly A is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. So where r is the radius of a given circle, we can take this is r here, r which is radius of circle, where theta is angle between those two. So what is area of the sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So let's go for the fourth one. The perimeter of sector is dash units. Perimeter, so take the same sector, which will be like this sector. So what is the perimeter? It is nothing but what? Boundary. So perimeter is nothing but what? Boundary. So these two sides are with the same radius. Now what about this from here to here? So I can take that it is a length of arc. So length of arc, let me take it as capital small l. Okay. So if you want to find perimeter of this total sector, that is P is equal to, just add all total boundaries, r plus r plus l. R plus r plus a. So we know. So what is the relation between length of arc and radius and angle, which is some angle between those two radius. So as we know, so length of arc small l is equal to, we can take it as r theta, where r is radius of circle, theta is angle between those two. So you can replace in this perimeter formula, that is r plus r will become 2r, where l is nothing but what? R theta. So from these two you can take r as common, that is 2 plus angle theta. So this is the perimeter of a sector, where r is the radius and theta is the angle between those two, and l is length of arc. So in this we can write is equal to r into 2 plus theta. So these are the today assignment question. Thank you children.